questions about the flight control systems and the role of computer software. You offered up two examples. One is the yaw damper and the other is the autopilot. These systems, both of them, as you know, are engaged by switches on the flight deck by the pilot. The switches and the operations are clearly documented in flight and training manuals. The crew knows when they're activated. In fact, I know that at least in the case of the yaw damper and maybe even the autopilot, there's a warning light when it fails. Those systems are not in the same category as MCAS, which operates behind the scene. So I'll just conclude by saying, at the moment, during the design, development, and promotion of MCAS, MCAS was the only computer software that operated the flight control systems without knowledge from the pilots or pilot input. And for me, as a pilot, that's a big deal. And not just in hindsight, but at the moment, during the design, development, and promotion, it should have been a big deal to everybody involved. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I yield back.